Hello guys, this is Kamjat Entertainment. My name is Amos Ang.
And I'm Dylan.
And I'm Charles. Okay, so now currently we are all in different states. Like for me, I'm waiting for my enlistment.
And I'm studying in PSB.
And I'm studying in Ang Mo Kio ITE.
Okay, so yeah, just a rough idea on why we are doing this. Doing this is because maybe we're just trying to find that it's like some sort of entertainment for ourselves, and we also hope to bring some enjoyment to you guys. Yeah, so we'll be doing majority of our skits will be based on how teenagers lives in Singapore, and yeah, we release our video every Friday afternoon to Friday night. So really hope you guys can give us your support. If there's anything that you want to see us do, you can just leave your comments down below. So we'll just try our best to
Improvise.
improvise.
And we are like trying to portray of what happened to us during our secondary
Yeah,
school days.
all those silly moments. We
those
all have been through.
Been
All
there,
of
done
you.
that.
Yeah. So we just try to show you guys. So we hope really enjoy. We really hope you guys can support us.
Please
Just,
subscribe.
yeah, if you really think our videos are not nice, just
Comment.
give us some nice
Whether
comments.
is it good or bad.
Yeah,
And what do you want to see in future?
yeah,
Just
I know.
comment down.
We'll just try to do as much as we can.
Yeah, but we are only human.
Okay, so we really hope you can support us, guys. Okay, peace. Thank
Thank
you.
Bye.